Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video. Today I will be using this Family Day collaboration, which is available on Pixel Scrapper. It's an older bundle, but it's a good one. I love these collaborations because they have a lot of different things to choose from, so you can certainly find something to work with. I'm starting here by browsing through all the papers and downloading the ones that look good to me today. And then I will stick them here in my layout. Once I get these in, I'll probably have a few empty spaces, so I'll go back and have another look to fill in the places that I did not get with the first round of papers that I downloaded. And then I will do the same thing with the elements. I will browse through the elements online, download the ones that look good. I'll put them on, and then if I still have a few holes, I can search specifically for what I think I'm missing. So this is a pretty easy way to get a layout done without spending a lot of time searching around. You can just type in quickly and easily into Pixel Scrapper whatever you need, and it can be done pretty quick. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.